Julie with Warmboard, and today we're going to do rapid fire questions with Adam Dubray of Valhalla Contracting in Greenwich, Connecticut. What is the size of this home?
9,000 square feet.
And why did the homeowners choose Radiant?
They chose Radiant, particularly the Warmboard comfort system, because they wanted to have the whole house at the same temperature, providing equal heating and being able to guarantee that the rooms would be within 1 degree of their set temperature.
Is this your first time installing Warmboard?
Yes.
Easiest part?
The whole process was very easy. The salespeople are very helpful.
Hardest part?
There wasn't the hard part.
Were the shop drawings helpful?
Absolutely, they were spot on.
Easy to follow?
Very.
Any tips for other first-time installers that may be hesitant to try?
I would have no hesitation. This is extremely easy to figure out. And as I said, with the shop drawings and the help of Zach and Julie, there was no questions moving forward and into production.
Quality-wise, what do you think?
Very good quality. The panels are 1 1/8 thick. They're a little heavier than a normal subfloor, but the aluminum coating on top is very durable. I see no problem moving forward in the construction phase.
Cool. That's all I've got for you. We'll check back in when the boiler and controls are being installed. Thanks,
Excellent.
Adam.
Thank you.